This is not your typical pharmacy. This is the first marijuana dispensary in South Vancouver on Fraser Street, and you don't even need a medical prescription. There's a physician on site who will assess whether marijuana will benefit you or not, even if your family doctor disagrees. But how do people in the community feel about this?
It's widely available anyways. It's already been decriminalized under legislation. I don't see it as, I see it as a pretty harmless drug, even though I wouldn't want kids using it.
Things like alcohol, for example, are much worse. There's so many drugs worse than marijuana. Marijuana doesn't harm anybody. It just makes you lazy and hungry. It really can't do any harm to the public. So I think a bunch of stoners are good for the economy. They're going to be boosting the GDP, and the corner stores will definitely benefit from it.
Dangerous to other, not only for me, but all for the health of others, especially for the kids. Yeah, so I think it's not safe for the people.
Kind of indifferent about it, really.
I don't like the fact that they are displaying marijuana like this, so I think it will encourage people to try it, and I think it's not a good thing.
I don't have any problem. I smoke too.
That's not a good news for me. Yeah, really, because that's an illicit drug for me. Yeah.
Negra Moshahedi in Vancouver for BCIT Magazine.